I sure didn't.
That'll help. Silver ladder up on the corner roughly. We gotta move it about 3/4 this way to square it a little bit. Damn. Square, Dan? It's as square as Noah. Put up. He's an L7 weenie. The main structure here, this is the main layout of the deck where you get the posts in. Boxes. Luckily, we laid these out before we started. We had the concrete guy pour all the footings for us. So we'll get our footings all set, brackets on the footings. Then we'll get our posts run. And we'll start slinging some joists after that. You know what the Dennis Sarah time is, right? 2:30. Cut the post right now. So we're gonna start getting some joists in, hopefully. Team green! Through the board blade. So like when there's green and blue, it's boy or girl. What is it when it's green? It's an alien! We can't put our tape on top of these because it reacts with it and it causes it to bubble and like melt the Vicor like tape that we used. We had that happen at a job a couple years ago, so I had to go back and like pull apart a bunch of the deck and take it off the glue lam beam because yeah, the glue lam reacts to the tape and causes it to like melt and bubble and it like pops through all our fascia. So instead we put a little deck liner over top of it, or like a pond liner over top of that. So it's not actually like adhering to the substance. Crazy thing though. Perfect.
You open up. Let's open up our arms.
Oh my God, it's so good.
3 swings. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Hit. Get that ladder up inside me. Bring out my board over here and get her on the side. Then we'll get her screwed in, and then we'll get the hangers on and get this post in. We'll keep going. Yeah, go ahead and bring it up here, Noah. Get it on up here. Left, left. 1, 2, 3, go.
Swallowed a bug. He's wicked smart. He's from Harvard. Oh, baby!
Wow.
Kobe.
You know, I just put that in there as a word.
Can't find the rhyme and all my reasons. I'll just ask one question.
Well, we just finished the main structure. Got everything all hangered. Noah's up top putting some tape on the joists. Oh, but we're not putting tape on the glue lam beam. She can't do that. We learned that the hard way. We figure out roughly how tall the deck is. This one's close to 8 foot. So you just kind of get a rough guess on, you know, like I always figure 7 inches for the height of the stair, just as when you're trying to ballpark, figure out how long it's going to be. So then I figure out roughly how far to pull out from here. And on this one, it comes out about somewhere in this area. So then I level off the deck, get a height to where it is in the concrete. Measurements for these, it's the same height as the rest of the stairs. So from the framing, it's the same thing. So this one's 7 3/16. So it just depends on the size of stairs you're building. Whoever measured these stringers out and got your measurements did an amazing job. Whoever marked out the first one, incredible.
He's so happy.
We're gonna do some taping. You did amazing, Noah. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad.
Like a proud papa. Probably just finished getting the stairs roughly framed up and everything taped. Maybe start blocking the stairs for a picture frame. Tomorrow morning we got an inspection, so once that's over, we'll start putting on some decking. But yeah, I mean, my goal is to get the stairs cut by the end of the day, so we're where I wanted to be. It's about 2 hours early too, so see ya. Tuesday was the first day here. We got the exterior rim up and the posts and beam. And then yesterday we came in and put all the joists in. Built the little landing for the stairs. And then today we came in and put all the hangers on, put all this blocking for center blocking, keep the joist from bowing on us, and then we got the stringers cut. And then Noah's been taping. So overall, a very productive week. So it's only our 3rd day here, so not too bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, we were coming out. He's like, "Good day today, Dan."
You're a fan favorite, dude.
You guys can see these deck boards are a little short for all one piece. We're gonna cut 2 stripes down the middle here. And there'll be a picture frame board that runs through here. Make it look like giant decks. So you get a picture framed all the way around the landing, all the way over. Picture frame the stairs, picture frame all the stairs. Railing. Nice, all one color, chocolate. Like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. It's the weekend. We're gonna get everything cleaned up. I'm gonna go home, get myself prepped and mentally prepared for a Saturday night Iowa State game to try and go to 6-0 for the first time since like 1930. Back when I was a freshman in high school.
Them good old days.
Yeah, back when gas was cheap and